Hey, Drop Tech fans! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we've got some massive news about the upcoming Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, and believe me, this one's packed with exciting features, some returning, some brand new. From upgraded camera hardware to smarter AI tools, this might just be Samsung's most powerful phone yet. Let's jump right into it. Variable aperture might be making a comeback. Samsung has always been known for introducing cool, innovative features on its smartphones, and then sometimes quietly removing them later. One of those features, variable aperture, could be making a grand return with the Galaxy S26 Ultra. According to well-known leaker Ice Universe, Samsung is currently testing a variable aperture system for the S26 Ultra's main camera. If this happens, the camera would be able to automatically adjust the amount of light it captures, depending on your surroundings, giving you better image quality across different lighting conditions. This tech also lets you control things like background blur and fine-tune brightness using ISO. In short, it offers more flexibility when snapping photos, especially in tricky environments. Samsung first added dual aperture with the Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus, allowing it to switch between f1.5 and f2.4 depending on the light. The f1.5 was great for dark settings, pulling in more light, while f2.4 helped in bright scenes with a wider depth of field. Sadly, this feature was dropped after the Galaxy S10 series and gone completely by the time the S20 rolled in. But now, it looks like it's making a strong comeback. The only question is, will Samsung go for multiple aperture levels like the Xiaomi 14 Ultra, or stick to just two? Camera and hardware upgrades. That's not all. Samsung is going all in on the camera system this time around. Rumors suggest the three telephoto lenses on the S26 Ultra will now come with a 50-megapixel resolution. That's a big bump in detail for zoom shots. You'll also see upgrades like a 200-megapixels main camera, a 50-megapixels periscope lens with up to 200x zoom, a 50-megapixels ultra-wide camera, a 3D to F sensor for sharper portrait shots, and even a 50-megapixels selfie camera with enhanced Nightography 2.0. The S26 Ultra can shoot in 8K at 60 fps, supports super steady mode, and comes with AI scene optimization for perfect auto settings. Massive battery and fast charging. The S26 Ultra could be powered by a silicon-carbon battery with a huge 6,000 mAh capacity. That's not just larger, it's also more efficient. And yes, Samsung is going big on charging too. 120W wired fast charging 0 to 100% in under 30 minutes. 50W wireless charging. 15W reverse charging. With AI-based battery optimization, expect even longer battery life during your day-to-day use. Performance and AI features. Under the hood, the S26 Ultra could be running on either the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 or Exynos 2500, depending on your region. You'll also get up to 16 GB of RAM and a massive 1 TB of storage for all your media and apps. And yes, AI is a major focus this year. We're talking about features like AI call summaries, smart replies, auto-generated captions, real-time translation, and even AI-enhanced cooling systems to keep the phone from overheating. S Pen isn't going anywhere. For all you S Pen lovers, don't worry. Samsung isn't removing it. In fact, Annika Bizon, VP at Samsung UK, confirmed in an interview that the S Pen is here to stay, especially in the Ultra series. Many users rely on it for notes, drawings, and productivity on the go. Samsung sees the S Pen as a core part of its identity, especially with AI-driven features like sketch-to-image conversion, text-to-handwriting, and real-time translation. And this year, the S Pen gets even better with 1.5 milliseconds latency, AI text conversion, more accurate pressure sensitivity, premium design and display. Samsung is also leveling up the design with a titanium frame for extra durability and Gorilla Glass Victus 3 on the back. It's got curved edges, thinner bezels, comes in phantom black, titanium gray, emerald green, and burgundy red. IP68 rating for dust and water resistance. On the front, it features a 6.9-inch Dynamic AMOLED 3X display with 3200 by 1440 resolution, 165 Hz adaptive refresh rate, 3000 nits of peak brightness, and Vision Booster 2.0 for visibility in any lighting condition. Connectivity and audio. The S26 Ultra includes top-tier connectivity options like Wi-Fi 7, 5G, Bluetooth 5.3, UWB, ultra-wideband. You'll also get AI-powered call noise reduction, stereo speakers with Dolby Atmos, improved Samsung DeX, and the latest Samsung Knox 3.0 security suite. Price, release and final thoughts. So how much will all this cost? The Galaxy S26 Ultra is expected to start at $1,399, with high-end models reaching up to $1,799. Pre-orders will open soon, and yes, Samsung will likely offer trade-in deals and special discounts as always. So what do you think about all these upgrades coming to the Galaxy S26 Ultra? Are you excited for the return of variable aperture? And is that S Pen still a must-have for you? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more tech updates. Also, make sure to click the bell icon so you never miss an update. We'll catch you in the next video. Peace out.